So actually po, there is only a 1 day difference. Instead of arriving on November 16, the budget will arrive on November 17. Kung magkakaroon po ng delay or reenactment, it will become because of the Senate, not because of the House. Because we're only talking about 1 day. Kami, 1 month po kami na delay date na naghintay, pero we made up the time. So I think 1 day should make a difference. I apologize to them, no, na this 1 day will also be of inconvenience, no. But in any way that we can make it up to them, lalo sa BICAM, usually ang BICAM mga 1 linggo, no, but we can do it earlier. 2 weeks ang BICAM last year eh. So we can do it now na 3 days or 4 days, 'di ba? Mag-overtime tayo. Total COVID eh, 'di ba? So we extraordinary times requires extraordinary measures.